The brain is a vital organ in the body and requires essential nutrients throughout the day to function properly. Inadequate supply of these nutrients to the brain can result in lack of concentration, inability to make good decisions, and inability to retain information. There are some foods that when you snack on during the day, they can improve your brain function so you can perform at your best. These are foods that you can give to your children as well to carry to school so they can perform at their best. Hello and welcome back. My name is Lydia and this is Time with Lydia, the pharmacist. So number 1 is seeds and nuts. Seeds and nuts contain healthy fats, protein and fiber, and they have a wide variety of vitamins and minerals that can improve brain function. Studies have shown that consuming seeds and nuts regularly can improve overall cognitive function, memory, and overall brain health. You can go for nuts such as peanuts, almonds, walnuts, and seeds such as pumpkin seeds. All you need to do is get yourself a little bowl with a tight cover, put some of these nuts and seeds in, and snack on them when you are at work or when you are even running your errands and you know you're going to be out for long. Number 2 is berries, and examples are strawberry, blueberry, and raspberry. You can snack on these during the day to improve brain function, and you can do the same for these. Get yourself a little fruit bowl, fill it up, and carry it along to work. Berries contain a lot of vitamins and minerals that can improve brain function during the day. So next time you go shopping, make sure you add some kind of berries to your shopping list. In addition, berries are full of antioxidants that can reduce oxidative stress on the brain. Number 3 is water. And yes, water is very important for your brain to function at its best during the day. Dehydration is not the best. It can cause tiredness, lack of concentration, and headaches. So get yourself a water bottle and fill it up with water in the morning. Drink during the day and make sure you refill it as you go. Number 4 is dark chocolate. I'm sure some of you are surprised to hear that dark chocolate is a good food to snack on during the day to improve brain function. Dark chocolate is good to snack on. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants and has been shown to improve memory, attention, and mood. So why not get yourself a bar of dark chocolate next time you go grocery shopping? And remember to get one that has got a high percentage of cocoa in it. Also remember that moderation is key when it comes to dark chocolate. And number 5 is whole foods. Whole foods include fruits and vegetables. We all know that fruits and vegetables are essential for our overall health, and these are good as well for the brain to function during the day. Never forget to include some fruits and vegetables on your shopping list. But to make it easier to eat your fruits and vegetables, you can cut them into bite sizes. Get yourself a fruit bowl and fill it up and carry it along to work or wherever you're going, so you have it handy to snack on when you feel like snacking. And the final food that you can snack on, number 6, is yogurt. Yogurt is full of probiotic, and probiotic does help maintain a good gut or tummy health. A good gut health is linked to an improved brain function. When you're purchasing yogurt, opt for one that has no added sugar or artificial sweetener. You can add your own fruit toppings. Better still, you can use plain yogurt as the base for fruit smoothies. And this can serve as your snack during the day to improve your brain function. I hope this video helps you make healthy food choices to snack on next time you go grocery shopping. Thank you once again for your time today. Please like this video and subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you snack on during the day. Thank you once again for your time today, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.